Flamingo chef, show us what you got with cocktails and dishes that hit the sweet spot.
Hey guys, Bill, the Kansas Flamingo chef, and Panther, who's busy looking out the window. Here, buddy. You want up there? So, if you're like me and you spend a lot of time in the kitchen, you also spend a lot of time cleaning the kitchen. And a must-have, as far as I'm concerned, because you can clean just about anything with it, is Dawn Power Wash. Now, if you've never used this stuff, it's great. You just squeeze the trigger and it literally shoots foam out that you can clean stuff up with. It works so well. There's only one problem. When it runs out and you got to get a refill, they're expensive. Way more expensive than they should be. I mean, it's not terrible, but they're about, in where I live, about $6. But you can make your own, and it's super easy. All you need is water, Dawn dish soap, and 70% isopropyl alcohol. That's all that's in it. It's the alcohol that makes it foam up. So I'm going to make 16 ounces. This is actually a larger container here. So this one's, I believe, 22 or something like that, 24 ounces. So it's not going to fill it all the way, but there's just a teeny tiny bit left in here. And instead of getting another refill, we'll just do it this way. So to make 16 ounces, we need 13, 2, and 1. 13 water, 2 ounces of dish soap, 1 ounce of alcohol. You can mix this ahead of time in a container and pour it in here. That's fine. You don't have to. You can just pour all this stuff in here and then mix it up. That's the easy way. So you need 13 ounces of water first, 3 ounces of Dawn dish liquid. Now I've got 1 ounce of alcohol, and because the dish liquid tends to stick to the glass, I like to swirl it around a little bit and then pour it into the container. That'll clean your measuring cup at the same time. Now, if you don't know, you can put this nozzle on so it's that way, or you can do it sideways. It really doesn't matter. However, you've got space for it. And then just swirl it around in here. It's going to foam up inside the container when you do this. That's okay. You let it sit and the foam will come down. But once you put that together and you spray, you've got the same stuff. Here's the best part. This container of dish soap is $2. This container of isopropyl alcohol is $2. Water, I mean, it's basically free. You're paying your water bill. So what have I got invested in this bottle? About 30 cents. Just saying. If there's another kitchen hack you know of that you think I ought to know about, let me know. Have you ever tried this stuff? Have you used from the store? Have you made your own? If you have a different recipe, let me know. As always, if there's something you would like me to make, something you would like me to review, all you got to do is ask. Bill at kansasflamingochef.com, or you can comment right here on the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Eat fabulous, and I'll see you on the next one.